Children, now we will discuss about some algebraic identities. So here we have some identities. See, first one is a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second is a minus b whole square. So formula for a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third is a square minus b square. So that is equal to a plus b in first bracket and into a minus b in second bracket. And fourth one is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus in bracket a plus b bracket close x plus ab. Children, we have already studied these four identities in class 8. Now, in class 9th, we will discuss about some more algebraic identities. Okay? So, first, suppose we have one more identity, a plus b plus c whole square. And for that, we have a formula a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And here another identity is a plus b whole cube. Children, formula for a plus b whole cube will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b, and here a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b, and a cube plus b cube. What is the formula of a cube plus b cube? In first bracket a plus b and in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Ninth one is a cube minus b cube. So formula for this is a minus b in first bracket into in second bracket you will get a square plus ab plus b square, and last one is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Formula for that is in first bracket a plus b plus c and in second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now we will see how these identities we can prove. Children, see here we have a first identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how you can prove that a plus b square whole square will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Children, see a plus b whole square. For this what you can write? You can write a plus b into a plus b, because here we have a whole square. So whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Now multiply. So a into a plus b, then plus b into a plus b. We are opening bracket. So what you get? Now multiply by a inside the terms. So a into a you will get a square plus a into b, it will be ab, and similarly here b into a it will be ab, and b into b you will get b square. Now see a square and here you have ab plus ab. So for ab plus ab you can write 2ab and plus b square you will copy. Now see a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now suppose another identity we have a plus b whole cube. So for a plus b whole cube what we can write? We can write a plus b into a plus b whole square. And children, see here a plus b whole square is what? A plus b, value of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply a by a plus b in a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first we will multiply by a in all three terms and then by b in all three terms. So multiply a into a square you will get a cube plus a into 2ab you will get 2a square b. Then a into b square you will get ab square. Okay. Now multiply by b. So b into a square you will get a square b, b into 2ab we will get 2ab square, and then plus b into b square we will get b cube. Now you can write it a cube and this b cube I am writing here plus b cube and plus c. Children, 2a square b, and here we have a square b. So 2a square b plus a square b means 3a square b, and similarly ab square plus 2ab square, you will get 3ab square. Now here a cube plus b cube, and from last two terms we can take 3ab as common. So take 3ab as common, so we will get a here and b here. So it means formula of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. So similarly all the identities we can prove by these methods. Okay, children, now we will see how we can use algebraic identities for factorization of given polynomial. So see, we have a one example: factorize 27y cube plus 125 z cube. So how you can factorize? So let's see solution of this question. So here we have a 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. Now see children, here we have a y cube and z cube. So it means here we will use formula a cube plus b cube. So first change it into form of a cube plus b cube. Similarly, say for 27 we can write 3, and for this y means whole cube. So for 27 y cube you can write 3y whole cube, and same for this we can write 5z whole cube. Okay, so now this is a and this is b. So here we are going to use formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in first bracket and a square minus ab plus b square in second bracket. Now children, see, here we have 3y at the place of a and 5z at the place of b. So in this formula, where you are getting a, you will write 3y, and where you are getting b, you will write 5z. So for this, what we can write? Here we have a plus b in first bracket. So what we will write? This is a and this is b. So at the place of a you will write 3y, and at the place of b you will write 5z. So in second bracket, here we have a square. So for the a, again you have to write 3y, and this square you will write outside the bracket, and minus a. At the place of a, again you have to write 3y, and at the place of b you have to write 5z, plus b. Again b is 5z, so write 5z in bracket and put square outside the bracket. Now 3y plus 5z, and here you will get 3y square means 9y square, and multiply these two terms. So 3y into 5z, you will get 3 5s are 15 yz, and plus 25z square. So it means this is the answer of this question, means 27y cube plus 125z cube is equal to 3y plus 5z in first bracket and 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square in second bracket. Children, see another example we have. Factorize 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So see here again you are saying here we have a cube and b cube. So it means we have to convert it into perfect cube, means 8. For 8, what you can write? This is the cube of 2. So for 8a cube we can write here 2a whole cube, and b cube, so it is already in cube, so b cube is b cube. Now here what you will write? Children, what formula you will use here? Suppose here this is a, this is b. So here it is a cube and it is b cube. So we have a formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, this is the formula of a plus b whole cube. Now see, a cube, so a, at the place of a we have a 2a, so a cube means 2a cube, b cube is b cube. Now here we have a, you are taking 2a as a and b as b. Okay, so here what you will write, 3 you will copy, and see here in formula you have a square, so at the place of a we are writing 2a. तो here क्या लिख सकते हैं, a के प्लेस पे हम क्या लिखेंगे, 2a square into b, so b is b, okay, b is b, फिर plus here 6, sorry, now you have to write 3 and then a, so formula of means at the place of a you have a 2a, so into 2a you will write, and here you have a b square, so at the place of b we have a b, so we will write b square. Now see, this is the identity. When you will compare this with identity, means right side of right hand side of this identity, compare. So compare, so here at the place of a you have a 2a, at the place of b you have a b, again see, at the place of a we have a 2a, at the place of b we have a b, and same 3 is 3, at the place of a we have a 2a, and at the place of b we have a b. So it means we can say this is the formula of 2a plus b whole cube. So here you can write 2a plus b whole cube, because when you will compare right hand side with your question you will get formula of a plus b whole cube, and here we have a 2a at the place of a and b at the place of b, so it means answer is 2a plus b whole cube.